Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 3D cartoon effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the photo that you want to edit, you just click on the photo. And after this, in here you just click on the style at the bottom. And now you can swipe until you can see 3D cartoon effect. This is the 3D cartoon effect, so you just click on it. Please waiting. Okay, and after this you can click check icon at the bottom. And finish. So that's how to add 3D cartoon effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.